Okay, hey you guys, this is Jay with our simple how-tos, and today, well, we just got done with that electrical outlet, the shore power outlet, the 30 amp on the back of the RV. Now we've got this city water connection, which is just a Bearcat to hook a hose up to. Really stiff, and well, you know, this is 2013. So yeah, let's we'll be right back. Okay, so here's the new one we're putting on. Brass, got the screen, and I like these better than the brass or whatever that is. But and I'm putting black on just because the yellow ones, no matter what, on these white, yeah, they're white. They always turn yellow though. That's why I'm doing black. I did the black power out inlet too. So anyway, and this is where you guys are gonna sit and watch. My assistant is busy, my camera person, so I hope this camera doesn't. It is it's supposed to be like 98 today, Wednesday, September 10th. It's about 10:30 in the morning right now. So anyway, okay, let's I'll let you guys sit and watch. Okay, so all we got to do is take that white, I say all, it should come off easy, but we shall see. This should come off and go on the new one. Should be a real simple deal. Okay, so it should be okay with just a simple household pliers. Of course, I would prefer my adjustable jaw pliers, but of course, since the move, I can't find those. We're going to move again. And wherever we move to now, everything will be unpacked. I'll go through everything. Something to look forward to. Okay, now, don't come out of here. Let's... Okay, I want to do it the right way here. Okay. I think we're going to need two of them. It looks like it might be cross-threaded too. Wasn't leaking that I saw. Okay, let me get another wrench here. I might have to get my assistant. Get a little water in there. Looks like the same brand, or B&B. I'll have some of this in my Amazon link in the description too, along with this. Yeah, take the paper off it. Now it'll act right. Maybe. So hot it's sticking to my fingers. And you can we will trim this up once we get it all on. I'll take a box cutter or a putty knife, and we will clean this up because it's going to squish out. But you want it to squish out. Okay, yeah, it's so bright out here. Ooh, I got to clean that up too yet, don't I? Yeah. See, that's going to all smoosh and squish out. So I'm going to get you guys in a cool spot. I'm going to clean this up really good. I'll show you that when I get it done. But I'm going to shut you off and put you in a cool spot before you overheat. Okay, got that cleaned up around there. Use a putty knife to get any. It's nice and smooth now. Then I just use a shop rag with some water and yep, smooth. Okay, now this we know it's already gonna line up here, but this stuff is so warm out here. Where's the screws? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's how simple that is. Yeah, we'll check on it here. We'll trim that extra sealant that's squishing out of there. And anyway, that is in the description, my Amazon associate link. Please share these things with other RVers. We love you guys. We will see you soon on our simple how-tos. Bye.